Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I'm coming from the inside of the new Aston Martin Vantage. I got the unique opportunity at the New England International Auto Show to come in, take a look around, and see what this car is like. Now, it is beautiful in here. It really resembles the DB11, which we have a couple over there. But you can take a look here and see the Vantage logo. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the outside here. As you can see, it's very, very nice. Now this car, pictures do not do this car justice at all. It is unbelievable. See the back part here? The back of this car is probably the most impressive. Of course, you have the DB11s here for comparison. Alright, so here we have the Aston Martin DB11. Got the carbon fiber lip here, carbon ceramic brakes, and carbon fiber mirrors here. Then of course you have the Lotus Evora 400. Perhaps most famous about the Lotus Evora is the fact that it uses the Toyota Camry engine tuned by Lotus. Inside the Evora 400 here, you have your climate controls here. Very minimalistic, but it's not too minimalistic to the point where it's unbearable. Hand built in England badge here. It's actually.
But if you're gonna post a video, just give us a little bit of a nod on that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll pop the trunk for you.
Perfect. So this car is provided by Aston Martin of New England. So thank you very much for allowing me to come in, take a look around. It does have back seats here. Let's go ahead and check out the engine bay.
That's still Toyota source motor.
Absolutely. It's the same engine that's in my trunk, my 400. Yeah.
But thanks again to Aston Martin of New England and Waltham, Mass for this opportunity. So here, thanks to Herb Chambers, Lamborghini Boston, Rolls-Royce Boston, so basically Herb Chambers Motor Group, I was able to get in and take a walk around. So this is the Maserati here. This is the Quattroporte. Or the Ghibli, I'm sorry. Then you have the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Carbon fiber lip spoiler here. Carbon ceramic brakes, as you can see here. You have your Quadrifoglio badge as well. Very aggressive look to these cars. Then you have the Bentley Bentayga. You have your carbon fiber here going up to the rear wing. Very nice interior, I'm not sure how much you can see. Has, of course, air suspension, which is why it's so low to the ground. In here are your headlight washers. Of course, you have the Wraith black badge. With your Spirit of Ecstasy. Perhaps the star of the show is the Pagani Huayra. You have your carbon fiber here. This is the King Huayra, one of one. And it is absolutely amazing. You have your wings here. And the interior is just as nice. The detail inside is absolutely astounding. Just the detail in the gear linkage itself is unbelievable. You have your carbon fiber all the way throughout, even up on the doors here. You can see inside to the exhaust and the workings of the wings here. Your Huayra badge. Then you have the Porsche 918, one of the Holy Trinity. Again, your carbon fiber throughout. Your exhaust up here. This is number 617 of 918 made. You have your rear view camera, your carbon fiber diffuser down here. Bunch of outlets, and you have your center lock wheels here. And then you have the Aventador SV. Your badge here saying it's one of 600. This here is in matte black with some red accents around, as you see inside. It's kind of a matte black carbon finish here, with your diffuser and exhaust down below. Then you have the Bugatti Veyron 16.4. 16, of course, referring to the number of cylinders, which it has 16, and 4 referring to the number of turbos. This is a quad turbo W16 engine, essentially the same thing as 2 Audi V8s put together. It's sat here in top speed mode, as you can see by the wing up. Just see the inner workings of the car here. inside is absolutely amazing. Last but not least, you have your Maserati Levante.